exam was very.
Your exam was very easy.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So that means you have studied. So I am happy to hear such a kind of comment.
Key answers.
You want the key answers?
Yeah, sir.
You
yes,
have.
sir. Yes, sir.
You are used your own, or already you are using your key.
Textbook, mine 3 rounds are there.
Yeah, you are used your brain, no? That is the key for the answer. Your brain is the key for the answers. You have used it and you have written the examination. Why do you want again? Okay, still we will see what are the answers. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Can you send it in the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, okay, we'll send. Let's see first of all. First one, in which century Babur used Hindustan to describe geography of the subcontinent? Which century?
16th century.
16th century, correct.
16th century. 16th century.
Correct, absolutely. Can anybody tell me when did the 16th century start?
Sir, from 1500. Sir, from 1500 to 1600.
1500 to 1600. Correct? Is it correct?
1500 and yes, sir. 1 to 1600, sir.
There is a confusion now. One has told me, listen.
Sir, from 1700 to 1800.
So a century is how many years, my dear fellow?
100 years.
No, sir.
Then you-
From 17,000 to 18,000.
Now you have told me 1500 to 1800. That means 300 years. Huh?
15,000 to
17,000, 1700 it is.
17,000,
15,000 to 16,000.
15,000 to 16,000. Okay, agreed. 15. Now tell me.
1,700 to 1,800, sir.
Now listen to me. 15,000, 1500 to 1600. How many years are there?
100 years, sir.
100
years, sir.
How many?
100 years.
Only 100.
years.
Only 100.
years, sir.
Then you swallowed 1 year. Did you swallow 1 year? You must add 1,500. Then and add 1,600 also. Both you add, how much it will become? 100 and
Sir, 1,500 to 1,599.
15,1,500 to 1,600. If you add both, it will become 101 years. Okay? Clear?
Sir, 1500 to 1600, sir.
No, that is what I told. 1500 to 1600, if you make, it will become 101 years.
Sir, I have
Century
a
is
doubt.
only 100 years. So it is.
Sir, Babur was a good person or a bad person?
1,599 years.
Babur question, let us wait. Let us wait of Babur. Let us find out the answer to this question. 1500
Sir,
to
1,500 to 1,599, sir.
yes, absolutely right. January 1st of the 1500 to December 31st of 1599. Those days when you calculate, it will be 100 years. Clear? So not 100. So you see the beginning, the century. Why the century problem is there? 15 comes 16 because you see the beginning of the calculation. 0 to 900. 0 also is included. When the first day starts, the starting of date starts. Okay. So that 0 to 99. That
Sir, I have a doubt.
when wait, I will clear you out. So when 0 to that year is over, 99 years are over. Okay, then only that year. So when the starting of January 1st, we say January 1st, he completes at that day evening. Then only we will say January 1st. Starting 0 starts, that January will complete. So like that 0 to 99, it comes 100 years. 99 plus that first 0. Okay. So that is why it is called a first century. 0 to 99 is the first century. Second century is 100 to 199. So 2 comes there. Second century. Okay, 200 to 299. Third century. Clear?
Yes, sir.
That is why when the 1600 we write, it is 17th century. Okay, when we write 15th century, 1500, it is 16th century. Now we are writing 20, is it not? 20. Are we not writing 2021? Are we writing 2021 of this year? No sound comes. What happened? Are we writing 2021?
Sir, I think you left the audio conference.
I am not left. What
No.
happened? What happened?
Sir is audible.
Sir, now your voice is clear, sir. Continue the class, sir.
Sir,
Okay.
now
I don't know. I have not done anything.
Now clear, sir. Continue the class, sir.
I don't know. I have not done
Hello,
anything.
sir.
Okay. So 2021 is 21st century. When 20 we write, it is 21st century. Okay. Did you understand? So now we are living in the 21st century. When we, after some, now 21, 79 years more when we cross, or 79 years, this some more months are there, this, after 2 months. It will become 17, we are entering into next month, next year, this year, 22. 2022 will be 21st century only. Okay. So 20, that first number 20, when it comes, next century you must calculate. That is why Babur had come to India in 1526. But his arrival period, when we calculate in century, it is 16th century. Okay. Now any doubt? Somebody was asking about Babur. What is the doubt?
Sir, was Babur a good person or a bad person?
See, Babur was a good person or a bad person. That comes to when we take next chapter. When we come to the Mughal Empire, I will discuss about that. Okay. We are not started Mughal Empire. Okay. We are just discussing the questions.
sir,
Ah.
sir, only 30 questions are there, sir. But marks will be given 32. Is there any 2 marks question in this, sir?
I have not. Only 30 question mark will be there for history.
Yes, sir. But sir, in geography, only 18 questions are there. 18.
There should be 20 questions in geography. Sir may give you 2 marks.
No, sir. Geography, sir, told in history.
Geography, there are only 18 questions.
I don't know
And
what
they
has
told
happened.
18 marks are
My dear boys, 40%, I did not see. 40% geography and 60% history. Okay, that is a percentage. So 30,
Yes,
when a 30 mark comes, it is 60%,
Yeah, sir.
Is it not
Yes, sir.
60%? Yes. So it is 60%.
Yes.
So it is question is proportion is like that. 40 and 60. Geography 40%.
Geography, sir, told.
That we will discuss. I have not asked sir. I don't know what happened. Sir has got some confusion.
They will adjust marks.
Okay. I don't know. I will talk to sir what has happened. We did not discuss that matter. I don't know. Come to know also about it. Okay. Now only I came to know when you discuss it. I did not mind. Okay. No problem. Sir will give if it is there. 2 marks. Geography sir will adjust that. He will give you. Don't worry about it. You don't lose. You will not lose your mark. Don't worry about it. Okay. Okay. So that is first answer. Second, which of the following is not a meaning of foreigner in the past? Stranger, Paradeshi, Ajanabi, indigenous.
Sir,
Indigenous is the answer.
Indigenous.
Means of the stay of that area. Indigenous people means of the people of that area. I am not an indigenous person of Bijapur. I am from outside. Okay. So the person of that area is called indigenous, or people of that area. Next, third one. Dash dynasty ruled Delhi before. Dash dynasty ruled Delhi before the Tughlaqs.
Khilji.
Khilji dynasty.
Khilji dynasty.
Okay, very good. In which period did the number and variety of textual records increase dramatically?
700 to 1770.
Yes, it is there. 700 to 1750 years. Around how many? 10,000 to how many years? 1,000. 1,050 years. Okay? That's a
700 to 1050, sir.
700 to 1,750 years. That is the answer. Okay?
1050 years, sir.
Okay, sir.
175. Which of the following was not the king of the Rajput dynasty? Bahulul Lodi. Tomaras is not a king's name, it is a dynasty name. Anangapala is from Pala dynasty, that is in Bengal. Prithviraj Chauhan belonged to which dynasty? Rajput dynasty. That is Rajput dynasty. Bahulal Lodi is answer. Then Ziauddin Barani wrote his chronicles first in
14th century. 14th century.
Absolutely right. 14th century. Then which language was spoken during the 14th century in present Bengal region?
Gauri, sir.
Gauri language. Gauri. Which is the holy book of Muslims? Easy.
Quran.
It is there in the text. All those answers are there. Which ruler first established his capital at Delhi?
Tomara, sir.
Tomara Rajput rulers. Tomara Rajput rulers. Yes. Prosperity in the subcontinent attract trading companies of which region? Europeans. Answer is European, because Australians are not coming here. Russians were. Continent is Europe only. Okay? It is European is answer. Tariq or Tawarik were written in which language?
Persian language.
Persian is the language of present day Iran and Iraq. At that time, it was called Persia. So the language of that day, Persia, present day Iran and Iraq, Persia. So language is known as Persian. Yes. Come on.
Sir, please ask everyone to be silent. We can't hear your answers.
Okay. Please, others, please keep quiet. I will ask one person to answer your answer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All of you shout. It doesn't look nice. Okay. Which new dynasty developed in eastern part of the country? I think Tejas Dhanaredi can give the answer.
Sir, Rashtrakutas.
Which new dynasty developed eastern part of the country? Tejas, answer is Palas. Palas, eastern part. That is in Bengal. Here, Bengal, the Palas were ruling in Bengal. Answer is Palas. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Then,
Is the answer 11th question?
11th question.
Persian.
11th Persian.
And what is the answer of 6th question? 14th century. 14th century.
14th century. Okay. Now question number 13. Who were expected to bring gifts for the kings in the 17th century? Meghaj can answer it. Meghaj. Come on, Meghaj. Samandas could bring the gift for the king. Rashtrakutas were Samandas. When were Samantas declared Mahasamantas?
Sir, can I do a buddy?
I have to, my dear
When
cadet,
they gain power.
my dear,
they gain-
listen,
When
listen,
they gained power and wealth.
listen. I told you, I will ask one cadet to answer. Please keep quiet. Let the cadet who is being asked by me answer the question. Okay, if all of you start to answer, there will be only noise, no clarity in the answer. So please keep quiet and listen. Okay. When were the Samantas declared Mahasamantas? Please, Cadet Anish, RK5795, answer it. Anish. Anish is not there? No answer. Nidesh.
Sir, can I answer?
Wait. Nidesh. Who has volunteered to answer? Who is that fellow?
Sir, can I do it now?
Okay, Krishnaja is ready. Okay, Krishnaja, come on with the answer. Come on, answer.
Sir, the Samantas become Mahasamanta. Sir, the Samantas become Mahasamanta when they gain power and prosperity.
Okay. When they gain power and wealth, prosperity is answer. Correct. Okay. What is Veti? Okay.
Sir,
Okay.
Please tell me answer.
Answer of
Sir, can I
14.
answer?
Listen. Answer of 14th question is
See.
when they gain power and wealth. Answer C.
Yes.
Next, what is Veti? Please, Shraddha.
Sir,
Shraddha can answer it. 5806. Shraddha. Not there at all. Okay, now again. Anish. Can Anish answer it? Cadet Anish? No.
Sir, can I answer, sir? Can I do a
Who is that asking me answering? Tell me your name. Ashwini, answer it.
Vinay Jalikatti, sir.
Ashwini, you can answer. No. Come on, Ashwini.
Can I answer, sir? Sir, can I answer,
Please wait. Ashwini is trying to answer. Let she try.
Sir, tax, sir.
Veti is a tax.
Tax.
Okay. Question number 16. What was the use of money
Sir,
collected?
Veti means forced labor, not sir.
Pardon? Come on, and out, clear
Sir,
your doubt.
Veti means forced labor, sir.
Veti means it is a tax, that's it. It is a forced labor, but it's a tax. It was otherwise you have to give money to the king.
Sir, which dynasty used to make Veti?
Wait.
Sir, which dynasty used to get Veti?
The Tamil kings, Cholas. Okay, so Veti is a tax that was forced upon every citizen of the kingdom. They had to go and work free in the land of the king. If they are not able to go and work, they have to pay money, give a wage of a person to the king. So either you go or give money to anybody. The king will accept. It is not a compulsory for the king that you should go and work. You can give money to anybody and that person will work for the king. So it was a tax, a forcible tax it is. But that was a custom at that time. Okay. Then, what was the use of money collected from taxes? Okay. Now let me see who can answer it.
Sir, can I, sir?
Tejas, Dana Reddy.
Sir,
All of these, yes. It is for the construction of the, now also it is money is collected by the government for constructing buildings, pay the salary of the government employees, building of the roads, everything For all the government expenditure, government uses money. So answer is correct. All of this to fight war, when soldiers are paid from that only. And purchasing weapons, we are purchasing many helicopters, many planes and all those. Everything is paid by the government from the taxes that are so much taxes collected. That is why government is having that so much of money. Okay, then Prashastis tell us how rulers wanted to depict themselves as.
Sir, can I tell? Sir, can I?
Who is that?
Sir, can I?
Who is that?
Tell Shraddha. Sir, can I?
Sutej. Come on. Sutej.
Sir, 17th one answer is option D, sir.
Wait. Sutej. Are you giving the answer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
Answer is option D, all of these.
No.
No, sir. Option
No. Answer is
D, sir.
valiant,
No, sir.
victorious warriors.
Sir, is option B.
Answer is option
Yes, sir,
B. Answer is
Yes, sir,
option B. Valiant, victorious warriors.
Yes, warriors. Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Okay. Now
Sir, but
question.
they wanted to depict themselves as achievers also and leaders also, sir.
Okay. No.
Yes, sir.
They want to defeat, but the Prashasti, they were mainly writing this only. Depict themselves as a leader, achiever, but answer is clearly in that it is written that king was a great warrior.
Textbook answer is option B. Yes, sir.
In which language was a Prashasti found in Gwalior written?
Sir,
Wait.
Sir, Mr. I am Samarth Raut, sir. Can I
Wait. Samarth has spoken. Now Shraddha,
Yes, sir, can
Shraddha has spoken. Who is that? Come on.
Sir, can I tell Samarth? Sir, Vishwanath.
Vishwanath, come on.
Sir, can I see Sanskrit?
Wait. Let Vishwanath. Sanskrit. Answer is Sanskrit. Vishwanath has given the answer. Then, Zayuddin Barani was a.
Sir, can I tell Samarth, sir?
Samarth.
Muslim political thinker.
Muslim political thinker of Delhi Sultanate. Correct?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, 20. Brahmanas were rewarded by grants of land recorded in. Wait.
The prince.
Prince Ponia is there?
Rohit. Copper plate.
Prince Ponia, come on.
Copper plate.
Copper plate. It was written in a copper plate.
Copper plate.
Yes. A fortified settlement with the soldiers was known as. Come on.
Garrison town. Can I
Or
Sir,
Shraddha.
Garrison town.
Yes, Shraddha has to answer. Shraddha.
Sir, Hinterland.
No, Garrison town.
Garrison town.
Answer is Garrison town.
Garrison town.
Okay. Who invaded the Somanath temple in Gujarat in the medieval period?
Muhammad
Muhammad of Cadet Anish. Can you tell me the answer?
Can I Tejas Muhammad Ghazni.
Muhammad Ghazni. Okay. 23rd question. The functionaries for
I answered, not Cadet Anish.
Pardon? Come on.
Sir, I answered.
You answered. Okay, good.
Sir, what is the question 22, sir?
Answer is who invaded the Somanath temple in Gujarat in the 14th century? Okay.
Muhammad
Ghazni. Muhammad of Ghazni. We call it Muhammad Ghazni. Then the functionaries for collecting revenue were generally recruited from. It is little difficult question. Let me see how many will answer.
Family, sir.
Answer is.
Sir, can I sir?
Who is that?
Sir, influential families. Sir, influential families.
Wait. Influential families. That is the answer. Okay.
Sir, what is the
families.
meaning of influential?
Influential means they are having relationship with the king. King will listen to their words. Now, if he presented a government, now Mukesh Ambani has influence on government. It means whatever Mukesh Ambani tells, the government will listen. Or the party president of political BJP has got influence in the government. So, person who is in close relationship with the person who is in power, they are influential
Sir,
persons.
then where the Samantas influential?
Yes, Samantas were influential. Most of the officials were from either belong to royal family, means maybe relatives of the king, means his king's brothers, sons, sisters, sons, uncles, like that. Their sons and their daughters will be mostly appointed. They are because king's sister will be able to tell, my son should be appointed, and nobody can question what is the decision of the king. So naturally, one who is in good relationship with the king, the person who can talk to the king, their members and relatives only would be appointed as officials of the government at that time. Modern period, we know it is taking place, election examination is there. Even now after elections, even ministers, how the ministers are made? Ministers, those who are close to the political party and the leaders. The political party leaders who are working together with the political party. Government they will not make anybody who is not known to them as a minister. The same thing at that time, modern period also same. But officials in the government in the modern period are selected through examinations. At that time, it was not there. It started in China. Now it is continuing. So the kings were selecting whomever they want. Now Prime Minister cannot simply
Sir,
select.
my ancestors were Samantas.
Now Prime Minister cannot select an IAS officer. He cannot select an IAS officer. IAS officers are selected by
Were there any?
the
Sir,
union.
were there anything that only Kshatriya or high Varnas
Yes.
can become the Samanta?
Yes, that was a custom, and they will be only the officials, Kshatriyas or royal
Sir?
family members or Brahmins. Like that, members only were permitted to become ministers.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, credits are waiting in the lobby, sir. Please admit them, sir.
Okay, thank you. Oh, okay. My goodness. I will open this one. How it has become locked, I don't know. Let me see.
Sir, the sound.
Yes, I will unlock it.
After 20-30 minutes, it will lock, sir. After 20-30 minutes, it will lock, sir.
Okay.
After 10 minutes, it will.
I'm trying to unlock.
Sir.
I'm trying to unlock. It is not unlocking. I don't know why. Then I will. Okay.
Two people joined, sir.
Yes, I hope after some days you will be here. Then this headache will not be there, no? You'll be happy to meet each other.
Sir, when will start, sir, school? When will school start, sir?
School, that is not officially announced. Thinking is there. That creature is creating a lot of trouble for us now, that corona. Let us see. School has not taken any official decision.
School starting.
School has not taken any official decision till now about your arrival. About the 6th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th arrival, school has taken decision, and they will be.
They are coming on 10th November.
They will be here on 10th November. Your arrival date has not yet decided. Okay, if corona is telling that you please go to school, I will not come anywhere near area, then we will open. Okay, it is depending on the corona. That is small insect is there, no? That is not even insect, it is smaller than virus. That only creates so much problem for us. Anything?
It is not alive also.
Yeah. Yes, it can move by
Sir,
wind.
it is not alive also.
Yeah, still it is creating a lot of trouble for us. What?
Sir, it is deadly.
It is threatening us. Hey, if you don't sit inside, I will create a trouble for you. So we makes us to be inside the rooms and put the mask. Okay, come on. Next question. The Chola king who brought half of Ceylon under his control is a...
Sir, can I answer Rohit Edve? Can I answer the?
Rajendra.
Yes, king
Sir,
Raja 1, not Rajendra.
Option A, Raja 1, sir.
Yeah, Raja 1. A is answer. Hiranya Garpa's rituals were performed with the help of
Brahmanas, sir.
Brahmanas were conducting the Hiranya Garpa rituals. Yes. Which of the following rulers were involved in tripartite struggles?
Sir, Gujarat, sir. Gujarat
Wait. I will tell you who should answer. Preetham Chavan.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Preetham Chavan has not answered any time. Please, come on. Give me the answer of this question. Question number 26. Hello.
Gujarat, Rashtrakuta, dynasties.
Gurjara, Pratihara, Rashtrakutas and Pala dynasties.
Pallalas.
Pala, not Pallalas, Pala. Okay, these three dynasties were conflicting each other, competing each other to have control of Kanuj.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, you can
Sir,
ask.
I have a doubt.
Yes,
Sir, what does rituals mean?
the puja activities.
Ritual is
In the temple, the pujari will put materials to that Homakunda and all those things, no? That's the rituals. Then after marriage, they will ask you to go around the fire, no? That is, and constructing the fire, they will put the materials inside, say the prayers, and they will say how many times you must bend, how many times you must touch something, or touch the feet of somebody, or give the blessings. All those activities concerning with the function are called rituals. That rituals will be decided by the Brahmins. What you should do, at what time you should do. Tying the knot, putting the garland each other. These are all part of rituals. Okay, the father and mother giving the bringing both the wife and husband, boy and girl, hands together, or rolling in the on the ground. Some kind of ritual is there. No, people roll in the ground. So all those kind of things are called rituals. In the churches, if you go to Christian churches, the priest will be conducting some activities. That is also rituals. Anything concerned with the regular activities of religion, they are called rituals.
Okay, sir.
Now come on, next question. Tirubhavana Chakravarti means?
Sir, the Lord of
Hemant, I did not hear today the noise of Hemant. Come on, Hemant. What is the answer of question number 27? Hemant, the mic is not working. Some problem is there. Okay.
the great Lord of
Lord of three worlds.
Sir, 26th question answer correct, no, sir?
25th question answer is Brahmanas.
26th.
26 is correct. Gurjara, Pratihara, Rashtrakuta and Pala dynasties. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then 28. Raja Tarangani, a book that generally recorded the heritage of Kashmir in the 12th century, was written by Kalhana. Now Hemant Kumar was trying. I don't know what has happened. Okay, again it is gone. Now, the river Kaveri branches off into several small channels before emptying into
Bay of Bengal,
Bay
sir.
of Bengal. Yes. Most of the rivers in India are drying to Bay of Bengal. only
Sir, I have a doubt.
what is it, a river that is Tapti, and one more river is there in Gujarat, no?
Godavari.
No. Devi is in Tapi,
Krishna.
and
Krishna, sir.
big dam is there, no? Big dam. Our statue of his
Krishna. Unity.
our
Statue of Unity, sir.
Statue of Unity is
Krishna.
constructed on the banks of which river?
Statue of Krishna.
Sir, Hirakud, sir.
And Hirakud is in Andhra Pradesh, in Bengal, my dear children. Tapi and
Sir, Krishna River.
no, Krishna is from here. It is going to Bengal, Andhra Pradesh.
Where not, sir?
Sir, what is the question?
Narmada, my dear children, Narmada.
Yes, sir.
Narmada and Tapi rivers are drying to Arabian Sea. All other important rivers are drying itself to Bay of Bengal. Drying means they are joining. Their water is flowing into Bay of Bengal. Narmada
Sir, I have
and
a doubt.
Tapi, two rivers.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, in Hindi we call it Brahmans, Rajas, that Rashtrakuts. Then in English, why we call it as Brahmanas, Rashtrakutas, that all?
See, that's correct. In English, what happened? This is not English word. So they try to pronounce as it is written. Okay. If it is an English word, they pronounce as they like. Okay. It is not as we like they pronounce. So
Sir, can you tell me the answer of 7th question, please?
I will
Once
come.
again.
I will go back to that. You understand? So these are Indian words. So when Indian words are used in the language, local language, naturally as it is written. You know the word Sultan, Sultan. In India, we pronounce the word as Sultan. Do you know how do the Britishers pronounce it? Sultan.
Sir, the Britishers cannot pronounce U and some pronunciation word.
They can pronounce. It's not that they cannot. But they pronounce Sultan. We pronounce it Sultan. Okay. So the word, some of the words are in that original form. So when they term it, they use it. So Brahmanas they use. Okay. That's all. Come on. Then
Is the answer of last question?
Third is the question coming. The specialist who worked at the temple and lived near it were dancers were there.
All of this.
Yes, dancers were there.
I written all of them.
Cooks were there. Sweepers were there. All sort of it. So the answer is all of the above. Okay, and one of your friend has asked question number 6th. 6th answer is 14th century. Okay. Some communication. Come on.
Sir, what option?
My dear child.
Yes, sir, what?
My dear child.
Sir, answer
My dear child, I cannot hear whatever you say. There is some problem of the sound, Dhruva. Dhruva, either your mic is not clear.
Once again, you only tell all the answer of 29th question, sir.
29th question. 29th question is Bay of Bengal. Question answer is C. Okay. Bye. See you. Tomorrow we'll see further.
What is the answer of
19th.
Okay, sir.
Oh,
Sir, 7th question.
Okay, 7th question will come. 19th answer is A. Sorry. 19th answer is Muslim political thinker. of Delhi Sultanate?
Okay, sir. 18th one.
Now
It
somebody
is
has asked
Sanskrit.
me seventh. Seventh. First let me answer seventh. Seventh answer is B, Gauri. 18th answer is
18th one answer.
18th is very easy. Sanskrit.
18th one is Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. Okay, see you. Tomorrow we'll meet. Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Thank you,
Yes.
sir.
Getting ready for the Dasra festivals.
Sir,
Huh?
sir, answer 10th, sir. 10th one.
Oh my goodness. I'm not getting.
European.
Sir, once you
Tenth-
send the key answers in the group, sir.
10th one is European. Okay. Why in only those answers?
Sir, once you
There are students who have not come to the class. They need not come to know the answers. You have come to the class, you got the answer. That's enough. Your friends, those who are not turned up, they need not come to know the answers. Okay. Bye. See you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Have a good day,
Bye.
sir.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Thank
Bye.
you, sir. Have a nice day, sir.
Yes, same.
Good night.
Bye.
Okay, sir.
Bye.